Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name's Claire. I've got some limited edition beauty boxes to share with you that are currently on sale on the Lookfantastic website, and they're Christmas gift boxes. I have got House Proud and I've got the Night Before Christmas, so I'm going to open them all up. This one is really heavy. Doesn't close properly, but I'm going to open them all up, showing you what's inside. These boxes are kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about them on my channel. You'll find all links down in my description, so underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Lookfantastic always bring out gorgeous Christmas limited edition beauty boxes, and there's a couple in this range. There's 4 of them and they retail for £40 each. However, because of Black Friday, they have been reduced to £28 each. The value of these boxes are over £100, and you're able to see all the contents of each box on their website. Let's open up House Proud first. The value of this box is £111. Next on to the Night Before Christmas, and this is a little different. It's a drawer that pulls out like this. Ooh. I've already taken a photo of this one. I hadn't opened the other one before, but I've taken a photo of this one, so it's all jumbled up together. But this one has a value of £118. Starting with a satin pillowcase by the Vintage Cosmetics company. Nice pink one. Oh, did it? It just touched my lips. Have I got lipstick on there now? No. A nice pale pink satin pillowcase there. This delightfully pink pillowcase is silky smooth to the touch. The fabric blend minimises friction between your head and the surface, making for a relaxing sleep and minimising pillow creases and split ends. So that's the first item in the box. Next up, we got a sleep spray by Blossom & Blossom. All night long calming sleep spray, and there's 40 mils here. 99% naturally derived, the spray cares for your body as nature intended. A potent fusion of frankincense and linden blossom, the fragrance helps to create a calming environment. Next up, we've got a retinol, Ocean Retinol 1% overnight serum by Beauty Pro, and there's 30 mils here. Ocean Retinol is naturally derived from seaweed and combats the signs of aging by stimulating collagen production, diminishing fine lines, reducing pore size and evening the skin tone. It also conditions the skin, ensuring it feels smooth, soft and balanced. Next up, we've got a Relax Shot peach flavour from My Vitamins. We've got a 1000mg lemon balm extract and 50mg of chamomile extract. It also contains zinc as well. There's 60 mils here, so it's a vitamin shot. Aimed at reducing tiredness and relieving stress, these shots can be just what you need for a restful night's sleep. The unique formula contains herbal lemon balm extract to help fight fatigue, with added magnesium and zinc to support cognitive health. Next, we got a This Works body cocoon, a deep sleep body cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saviour for better nights and brighter mornings. And there's 100 mils here. And this is a body lotion. The creamy, luscious formula glides across skin, delivering an instant hit of hydration with all the calming effects of cranberry, stavia and camellia oils. Shea butter creates the appearance of smoother looking and healthier skin. Next, you've got a massage oil by Mowley. This is Surrender Vata Massage Oil, rest with chamomile, frankincense and rose. And there's 30 mils here. Love the bottle. It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, that is nice. The rose aspect of it is completely fine. I don't like rose smelling products at all, but no, that's fine. Initially formulated as part of a luxurious spa treatment at the Bulgari Hotel, the oil contains a specific selection of essential oils that combine to alleviate stress and promote restful sleeping. What's more, settling upon a base of sweet almond and sesame, it helps soothe aching bones and joints. Got massage oil. And lastly in the box, we have got 100% natural bath salts, lavender, jasmine and valerian, Epsom and Dead Sea mineral salts from West Lab. And this is from the sleep range. Made up of calming extracts such as Epsom and Dead Sea mineral salts, the natural derived mixture combines to alleviate stress and relax the mind and body. Lavender and jasmine essential oils soothe the skin and create an intoxicating, dreamy scent. there you go. So those are all the products inside the Night Before Christmas beauty box. But I hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to know what you think of these boxes, and also if you've bought any for yourself or for like friends or family for Christmas. I'd love to know. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.